Good morning and Jai Hind students. So are you prepared for your test? Today I am going to take revision test. I have told you, right? So okay. Before taking the test, let me just do the previous day homework. Okay? Just check your homework of previous day. And then after that, you will be having questions, right? And give the revision. And we will be having the table session also for 5 minutes. Okay? So let's get started. First, we will see the answers of 15th. Okay? This homework I have given you yesterday. So that is 15. On 15 I have given you. So now let's check the answer. Okay? Now everyone first open your page. Now let's subtract. Now tell me 8 minus 7 is 1. Then it's not possible to subtract, so we have to take borrow, so it will be 6. Now tell me 17 minus 8 is, yes, 9. Then 6 minus 2 is 4. So we got the answer 491. Please check your answer. Do check it right now. Then after that 894 minus 487. Okay. So now here also we have to take borrow. 14 minus 7 is 7. 8 minus 8 is 0. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we got the answer 407. Clear? Now the third question. 358 minus 165. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Then here we have to take borrow. 15 minus 6 is, yes, 9. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So we got 193 as an answer. Now check the last question. Okay. 722 minus 457. So let's subtract it. So just take borrow. Now it's become 1. 12 minus 7 is, tell me, 5. Okay. Now here we have to take borrow. So this will become 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. And 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay? Done? Now after this, check your answers. Everyone, this is just for checking. Check your answer. I will not send the PDF of these answers. Okay? You know it very well. So check it right now. And after this, we are going to revise table. And then you will be having your revision test in your classwork notebook. Remember that. Always you have to give your test in classwork notebook. Okay? Now, the table time. Now it's time for table. Table of 5 and 6. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. And 5 10s are 50. Okay. So revise it once again, everyone. Okay, now table of 6. Okay, now let's revise table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, and 6 tens are 60. Repeat it again. Thank you, student. Read, write and revise the table. Okay? Now, it's time for your test. So, I want to give you some instructions. Okay, so now, this is your question for revision test. All of you, take out your notebooks and write down the question and start solving. Total 5 questions are there you have to do. These 4 questions is subtract, and after that the next question is your word problem. So complete it right now, fast students. Okay? Do it. I will be giving you 10 minutes to solve this. And then the word problem. And don't take help from anyone, do by your own. It's very simple, you have to just subtract. And write in a good handwriting. If you want, you can use today pencil color for making the lines. For drawing the lines, you can use pencil colors. So first question is 7,654 minus 4,020. Okay, do it. The next question is 789 minus 660. Subtract and write the answer. And you have to show the subtraction. Don't write direct answers, okay? You have to show the subtraction. Fine? Do it. The next question is 566 minus 366. Do it. And you have to note down the question also, beta. Note down the question also, okay? Then the fourth question. 7,892 minus 4,061. Do it. You don't have a lot of time. Do fast. Fast, draw the line, write the digits and solve. In this period only you have to complete it. Done. Fast complete these 4 questions. Then I have to give you one more question, that is word problem. And the question of word problem I will be explaining you at one time, okay? And then you have to do by your own. Done? Okay. Now I am going to give you the 5th question, that is word problem. First you have to note down the question, write down the question and then solve it. Okay. First note down the question. Question is, a box can hold 300 chocolates. There are 242 chocolates in the box. How many more chocolates can Riya put in the box? So now see here, there is a box. In that there are 242 chocolates. But the total number of chocolates are 300. So how many more chocolates can Ria put in the box? That's the question. Now write the solution. Write down the solution, students. Write down the solution here. After writing this question is must. You have to write the question, then solution. Okay? The way we do in the class. Do it. I know after seeing this chocolate, you must be hungry. You must be feeling that you want it. But sorry, I can't give you right now. So, wait. Let the school gets open, then we will have chocolates, okay? And no cheating, do the questions by your own. First note down question and then write the statement and solution. Both is required. Okay? Each and every statement is required over here. If in case your any question is left in 1 to 4, I will switch to that page, but let you write this question first. Beta, you have only this much time, only in this period you have to write, because I am not going to give the PDF today. It's a revision test. It's not classwork, okay? It's a revision test. Okay. Done? Write down the statement, beta. Fast. There will be total how many statements? 4 statements. Okay. And I'm switching to this page now. If anybody has left any question, please do it. Only 5 minutes are left. Complete your work today. Fast. You have only 5 minutes. Done, everyone? These 4 questions. Please be very careful while writing the digits. Don't copy down wrong. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. Okay? I'm waiting for everyone to complete it. And then we will discuss the answer. Okay. Note down this also. If anyone has not done, do it fast. And then I will show you the answer of these questions. Okay. And you have to check whether you have done correctly or not. Only 3 minutes are left for completing the test. Done, everyone? Should we discuss the answer? Okay, now let's check the answer. Okay? Now see the first question and check your answer whether it is correct or not. Check your answer. Now here what you have got answer 4 minus 0 4, 5 minus 2 3, then 6 minus 0 6, 7 minus 4 3. If you have got this answer, please put a tick mark with pencil. Okay, put a tick mark with pencil. Check by your own. Put a tick mark and don't erase if you have done wrong. If you have written wrong, just simply put a cross. Okay, do it, student. It's important. You have to check yourself that how much you know. It's just a revision. Now second, 9 minus 0 9, 8 minus 6 2, 7 minus 6 1. If you have done this correct, then put a tick mark with pencil. Then third question, 6 minus 6 is 0, 6 minus 6 0, 5 minus 3 2. So put a tick mark if you have done correct, and if not, then put cross. Okay, next. 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus 0 is 8, 7 minus 4 is 3. If you have done correctly, please put a tick mark. Okay, next question. In next question, your statement may differ, okay, from mine. For example, a box can hold 300 chocolates. So, if I am writing here, total number of chocolates. Okay. So, how many? That is 300. Okay. Your language may differ, but it's okay. Then there are 42 chocolates in the box. Number of chocolates in the box. Okay. Done. Then how many? 242. Then next line. How many more chocolate can Riya put in the box? number of chocolates can be kept in box. How many? Just subtract it. So 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5 and this is 0. So what we have got answer? Riya can put or can get, Riya can put 58 chocolates in the box. Okay, if you have done in this way, then it is correct. Okay, so now if you have done all correct, then put a tick mark, okay, with pencil. Now see, check your answers. First answer is 3634. Okay, check it. Second, 129. If you have done correct, put a tick mark. Then third, 200. Then fourth, 3831. And then fifth, 58 chocolates. If you have done all correct, then you have got full marks. Okay, if you have done all correct, then give yourself 10 out of 10 with pencil and take your signature of your mother or father. Okay, take signature from your mother or father. Okay, just take a sign over there. Marks you can write by pencil and take here signature. Okay, got it? So this was your test. I hope that you have done correctly. So each question are of 2 marks. If you have done all correct, so in each questions you are getting 2 marks. Okay. So I hope that you have enjoyed the test session, right? It is a different way to take test, but I hope that you have enjoyed. Okay. So thank you students. That's all for today, and tomorrow we are going to do the enrichment activity. Okay, clear? So enrichment activities are very much important and that we have to do, right? So we will next meet on tomorrow with your textbooks. Okay, keep your books with yourself and do practice subtraction regularly. Okay, thank you beta. Take care. Jai Hind. Bye bye.